Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to empty your Google Drive using phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in with your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Start, Shared and Files. You have to go to Files there, then long press on one of the folders. Now on the top of your screen, you can see three options. Tap on the second option there, then it's gonna select all the files. Now you have to tap on the third option on the top right corner. That's three-dot menu. Then from the bottom, you can see another three options. Just tap on Remove from this end of the screen. Now select Move to Trash. Now go to top left corner and select Trash from there. Now tap on the top right corner, then select Empty Trash from the bottom of your screen. Now tap on Delete Forever, and guys, that's it. That's how you empty your Google Drive using phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.